Curb appeal plays a significant role in the overall value and charm of a home. For homeowners in Little Rock, enhancing your home's exterior isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a welcoming atmosphere and adding long-term value to your property. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is by installing bow windows. With their elegant design, natural light benefits, and architectural versatility, bow windows can transform your home's exterior and interior appeal. Here's how bow windows can boost curb appeal in Little Rock residences. Timeless elegance and sophistication. Bow windows are composed of 4 or more glass panels arranged in a gentle curve that extends outward from your home. Their graceful design instantly adds a touch of sophistication to any property. Why they stand out? Classic aesthetic. Bow windows have a timeless appeal that complements both traditional and contemporary home styles. Architectural interest. The curved structure adds depth and dimension to your home's facade, making it more visually appealing. Customizable options. Choose frame materials, finishes, and glass designs that align with your home's architectural style. Whether your home features colonial, craftsman, or modern elements, bow windows can elevate its aesthetic with a touch of elegance. Maximizing natural light. Bow windows are designed to bring in abundant natural light, creating a warm and inviting appearance from both inside and outside your home. Lighting benefits. Bright interiors. Sunlit rooms are visible from the exterior, making your home look lively and welcoming. Showcasing design features. The added light enhances the beauty of your interiors, from furniture to flooring, while complementing your home's exterior. Energy savings. More natural light means reduced reliance on artificial lighting during the day, contributing to energy efficiency. In Little Rock's sunny climate, bow windows are an excellent way to harness natural light and make your home shine. Enhancing spaciousness. The outward curve of bow windows creates the illusion of additional space, both inside and out. This expanded visual dimension enhances your home's overall curb appeal. Space-boosting advantages. Extended interiors. Bow windows create extra room that can be used as a cozy seating area, storage nook, or decorative display space. Illusion of larger exteriors. From the street, bow windows make your home appear larger and more inviting. Seamless indoor-outdoor connection. The panoramic views provided by bow windows blur the lines between your home and the beautiful Little Rock scenery. This sense of openness and space makes bow windows a standout feature for any residence. Versatility in design. Bow windows are incredibly versatile and can be customized to suit your home's unique style and design preferences. Customization options. Frame materials. Choose from wood, vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass to match your home's aesthetic and durability needs. Glass features. Opt for clear, tinted, or frosted glass to balance privacy with natural light. Decorative elements. Add grills, stained glass, or unique shapes for a personalized touch. This flexibility ensures that bow windows blend seamlessly with your home while adding a distinct architectural feature. Increased property value. Installing bow windows is an investment that can significantly enhance the value of your Little Rock property. Their combination of aesthetic appeal and functional benefits makes them a desirable feature for potential buyers. Value-boosting benefits. Enhanced curb appeal. Bow windows create a polished and upscale look that attracts attention. Energy efficiency. Modern bow windows with insulated glass and weatherproof seals contribute to lower energy bills, a key selling point. Long-lasting durability. High-quality materials ensure that bow windows remain functional and attractive for years, adding long-term value to your home. Whether you're planning to sell or simply upgrade your home, bow windows offer a strong return on investment. Durability for Little Rock's climate. Bow windows are built to withstand the challenges of Little Rock's climate, from heavy rains to fluctuating temperatures. Durable features. Weather-resistant frames. Materials like vinyl and fiberglass resist warping, cracking, and fading. Impact-resistant glass. Provides protection during storms and increases security. Tight seals. Keep out moisture, drafts, and pests, ensuring your windows perform well in any weather. These features make bow windows a practical choice for enhancing both curb appeal and home resilience. Easy maintenance. Despite their elegant appearance, bow windows are designed for easy upkeep, allowing you to maintain their beauty with minimal effort. Maintenance tips. Clean glass panels regularly to maintain clear views and bright interiors. Inspect seals and frames periodically to ensure they remain weatherproof. Use a soft cloth and mild cleaner for frames to keep them looking like new. With proper care, bow windows can retain their charm and functionality for decades. Final thoughts. Bow windows are a versatile, stylish, and functional upgrade that can dramatically boost the curb appeal of Little Rock homes. By enhancing natural light, creating a sense of spaciousness, and offering timeless elegance, bow windows transform both the exterior and interior of your property. Whether you're enhancing your home's aesthetics or increasing its market value, bow windows are a worthwhile investment. Work with a trusted window professional in Little Rock to explore customization options and ensure flawless installation. With bow windows, you'll enjoy a more beautiful, inviting, and valuable home for years to come.